Are you looking for a delicious and healthy snack option that you can enjoy for breakfast or on the go? Look no further than this homemade granola recipe. Made with wholesome ingredients, this granola is the perfect balance of sweet and crunchy. Start by preheating your oven to 325 degrees Fahrenheit and lining a baking sheet with parchment paper. In a large mixing bowl, combine old-fashioned oats, chopped nuts, seeds, coconut flakes, and a pinch of salt. In a small saucepan, heat coconut oil, maple syrup, and vanilla extract over low heat until everything is well combined. Pour the wet ingredients over the dry ingredients and mix until everything is evenly coated. Spread the mixture onto the prepared baking sheet. Bake for about 25-30 minutes, stirring halfway through until the granola is golden brown and crispy. Let the granola cool completely before breaking it into clusters. Enjoy this homemade granola as a topping for yogurt, as a cereal with milk, or simply as a grab-and-go snack. Thanks for watching the video. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more tasty recipes and healthy tips.